The reason why we thought they won't use Wayo take do am, but if 1 liter of fuel becomes 230, that means say ordinary 5 liter wey taxi man go put for motor will be around 1,000 something. Because 5 liter and 5 liter, you know, 5 liter no go fit carry you from this human rights radio go say to come back. You no go fit carry you. So this thing will affect everybody. That's why we come again. Imagine say country wey na very poor country wey we dey produce fuel. We no be say na say God cause us. We dey produce this fuel. No be say na from Brazil we dey bring this fuel come. We dey produce the fuel for this Nigeria. So how something wey we dey produce, they don kill all our refinery. All our refinery, they no wan make it work because they wan steal money. So if they no fit fix our refinery, okay, even if they no wan steal, they just wan share. Because even if they no wan share, if they no wan share, you go soon hear them begin dey talk. Honorable Minister, off the mic, it's okay. But not be even waiting to focus on that. Look at this issue of electricity, where they don't increase tariff by almost 100%. Now, the issue of the electricity, if you talk, say, you want to increase electricity, but you never increase the money that the people will get. For instance, if this radio station, if you pay 100,000 naira bill per month, now 200,000 they pay every month. Where they want make you get the money to the pay. Okay, they talk say they want to remove subsidy completely for the country. We say no problem. Even if they want to remove the subsidy, but governors still they drive 30-something, 40-something cars. So we they subsidize rich people, they won't keep poor people. Now, every year, every ministry, every agency, every sub-agency, they buy cars every year. Last year, we buy cars, brand new cars, 2019 cars. We buy reach 6,000 for the country. Every ministry, and that's what we buy the year before. This year we don't buy. So why we say every year we must buy brand new cars? What thing we need the car for? The car we will buy this year, 2020 Prado, Land Cruiser, 2020 D's, 2020 National Assembly, 306 of them, plus 109 senators. We will buy brand new cars every year for them. If you buy one car, now every year, me I dey buy car, not every year they buy. The car where they buy now will last them for the next 3 years. So if you want to talk, say you don't want to subsidize poor people again, you don't want to make poor people benefit anything from government, but you want to make we they pay the politicians, maybe they live life large. Why we need 11 presidential jets? So until we government cut their own clothes, poor person no supposed to cut it, they suffer. So now waiting we can't tell with people, our Nigerian people say, we won't come up for streets. Make we talk say we don't agree for this kind of mago arrangement wey dey happen for the country. Peaceful march. And again, una know say our Independence Day dey come October 1. So we wan begin dey do things because that day Nigeria go reach 60 years for independence. Exactly. So for 60 years we dey do the same thing. After people talk, the next way you go hear na off the mic. So wetin we want, the reason why we come out is say we want make Nigerian people join us. If true they don't tire for how things dey go, because e get so many things wey government suppose do wey government no do. So and if you no do am, you no go fit talk say you comot subsidy. For instance, all our refinery for the country, they know they work, but they swallow trillion every year. Until you fix the refinery, you no go fit talk say you wan comot. Because the subsidy, it be like say they wan comot the 2 legs of poor people. So if you comot their leg, wetin you wan make they run? The taxi people wey they talk about, no be with fuel na they go use to do the taxi. Everybody for Nigeria depend on fuel for everything, including this radio station. So since this fuel affect everybody, that's why we dey call on the Nigerian people say make everybody get ready to come out outside. Because if we no come out outside, you get wetin they won't do. You know, see say under Corona, we dey hear say they thief money. Now still under this Corona, Naim, they first bring wayo. You know, say when they want to do this thing, because we get people among them, they first do wayo. They come out, is it 2 naira from the fuel? After they come out 2 naira, people come begin they happy. They treat us like monkey. They go dangle banana for us. You go see the banana, you go begin jump. After they come out the 2 naira, now they don't increase, they don't add 20 something naira. Now they are going to add another 30 naira. Because they see say they don't add 20 naira, nobody talk anything. Now they won't add another 30 naira. After the 30 naira, they go add another 20 naira. Now so they won't do the thing. So now waiting they make us when we they talk with this say, I beg make Nigerians, make people get ready to come out. So I go hand over.
Make a consultant.
Make you know first, my okay. Make you know first, my brother. The talk where you talk with the hear in the enter our ear. Yes, anything we will better Nigeria, we are ready to come out. As long as that come out, we say we will plan and say we will go against the law of the land. As long as we know say that come out, we will plan and we say we will allow good laws of people where we know sabi come begin take advantage what we name. But you see, we know say you get name. Now make ordinary president allow us to say maybe we entertain this. So we then solidly behind anything where we make Nigeria better. When we talk about comot, we know they talk about comot, say maybe we go begin fight government or go destroy things. So at the talk so that we will put them in right perspective. They call to comot, no be come begin fight or come begin destroy things. They come out, they say, maybe you get some things where they cry for. Your papa know here and where. You live for your room, they cry. You come say, okay, make you work at JJ, go close to a door, whether he will put you hear you. Now they cry, where will they cry? I hope say now they come out where you mean. If not that come out, all of us they behind you. And we know say when we come out and come out as we supposed to come out, our government will hear.
Make we appreciate something.
So we don't got the purpose of the commodity and to use Nigeria for just to destroy anything. So I think saying now all of them will introduce myself first. The person will go talk to talk.
No,
There's something
people
like
talk
saying
for
anybody
them
will want to talk, you introduce yourself, you do a small talk because you don't say to get like many hours and then talk to give your other event in general.
Thank you. My name is Moyole Shore, and I want to thank the honorary president Saying was on here. The person giving my lecture and I have sheets in the document, and also Ario. I want to clarify to Oga we talk just now. Since we were born us 30 years ago, we never carry knife before go protest. I've been protest when military dey for power. I protest under Obasanjo. I protest under Yar'Adua. I protest under Goodluck Jonathan. You mean say you don't become protester? I be grandpapa for peaceful. I be grandpapa for peaceful protest for this country. But you know, as Nigeria be now, we when they do peaceful protests, now we they go for prison. Last year they put me for DSS detention for 5 months. I come out, Boko Haram where they kill people, then they rehabilitate them. They give them 20,000 naira. They sew uniform for them. And as we dey here, they hear some of the way they talk about start time, say, when I get comments. They reach point, you go through reach point for this country where people not go feel laugh again. I'm telling you. Yes, now the way the government won't push the people for this country with that. Because why they talk for you to even subscribe now for this start time, you will need to pay another 7.5% value added tax to the laughter way they laughed before. So now you say small time money no go even day, money no go even day to laugh anymore. But it's serious matter where we talk here, they say it go reach point where they go push person reach war. Even if you be good, you know go fit take hand among inside that war. You go turn around, you go bite back. Now where did they push Nigeria go with that? And the thing where we want to talk the thing wey make us come talk with that for here, where we come tell Nigerians say
On October 1, oh, na be Independence Day of 60 years of Nigeria. But Nigeria be the only country wey reach 60 years wey suppose dey healthy, but e dey crawl for ground. So we wan redefine that date for our country. Say all of us go come out to talk say we no dey do independence anymore. We need brand new independence. Independence wey go put food inside stomach. Independence wey go allow our children dey go school. Independence wey go allow person dey drive for road make e no die. Independence wey go make you safe, wey kidnapper no go come carry you. Independence wey be say our people wey dey for Borno, dey fit go back to the farm. People wey dey for Benue, dey fit go back to their farms. People wey dey for Southeast, dem no go dey share all kinds of things wey dey wrong for the country. Independence wey go give us security. Independence wey be say person wey be lawmaker, senator, wey dey for National Assembly, im salary for 1 month no go pass the salary of person wey don work for 30 years. Wey no even come get retirement benefit. Na that kind independence na we dey ask for. And now we say we will come tell una say una ready o, because this place na people's president dey run am, but na we the people wey dey for the parliament for this Berekete family. And we say this suffer e don tire us, na make us come here. My own no pass like that o. Thank
you very much.
Before we take you, sir, our brother Shola, we appreciate you. Say, for the one person said they don't go detention, when they say they go because they thief. Not they say they go because they drag another person's wife. No, they say they go because they destroy something where you're supposed to destroy. But because they ask for the rights of others and the betterment of our society, it will good that we appreciate that. The emphasis always they do it because I saw we are required to do messages we relating to this is important as far as something where we will do peacefully and we will better our country. But the thing we want to understand is now what is the name of the organization, sir?
Our own organization.
Come for microphone.
Because this organization, we dey here na coalition, na from different organizations. But my own organization, where I dey, we dey call am CORE. But the popular name na Revolution Now. Where you see the cap where I carry for here.
Okay.
I don't want to wear this cap today because today na Friday. So I won't look responsible when I come here. Otherwise, now people not go let me enter the compound. Because we hear say this cap, they fear them.
No, we are not. Now the coalition with the action waiting with them.
Well, it's actually the Nigerian people against bad governance.
Okay. So now the Nigerian people are against bad governance. They take advantage of the platform where ordinary president create for the family. They pass this information so that as we hear, maybe they put our ear, put our thoughts, and then also take our decision. But the most important part of that decision is say nobody they call make you can come begin destroy government property or make you come begin they show yourself on road for street. They make you can complain peacefully if you think say the thing when they happen no good. Don't you make you because somebody asks you to now if you think if by your experience, if by the things where you will see and feel, if you think it will be as it's supposed to be, and the way where you're supposed to take and less and you don't try and do work, and the only way where you can make you work and come say, make you hear me. So, bro, make you go on.
I bet quick, make I just take this time respond to say one we talk so many people will come on serve any program. So we don't support anybody.
I agree totally. That's why we
also,
want to make it clear.
also, we dey tell people wey dey for government say the gun wey dem get na me buy am. Make them also no come out of that day to destroy our own
No,
property
that one not even
or
the
make
necessary.
kill person. Anybody wey kill person that day, person wey dey ask for him right, make him know say he no go escape justice no matter how long e take.
That one
Even
no
if
give
you reach 80 years old o, 85 years old o, dem go still pay for any crime wey dem commit against anybody wey dey do peaceful protest.
We
To
don't
ask
hear
for
you.
better government for
We
this
don't
country.
hear
So not
you.
the only people you go talk to, you need to talk to the people wey dey on the government side wey e dey sweet them any little thing they don shoot person.
We
Any
don't
little
hear
thing
you.
they
Can
don
you
kill
let
person.
me talk
I
now?
just wan say make I tell you say na two-way traffic.
Okay. When you collect the microphone, it become your microphone. But when we begin moderate, you feel give us more space. We don't hear you. The thing where you talk, even the people where they talk to them, they hear. They be part of the society. If there is anything where anybody they suffer from the society, they feel they suffer the same thing. That's right. Then they suffer even more than some of us they suffer. So nobody go want begin shoot anybody or kill anybody when they do the thing where he's supposed to do the way where he's supposed to do it.
Thank you very much. My name is Henry Shi, and when I start by saying, if they pay me, say we have to be cautioning ourselves in engaging government. We are now censoring what we see, we are censoring what our feelings. In a democracy, the people challenge every bad policy of government.
Very true.
And nobody, no policeman get right to shoot you. Yesterday, they say they arrest journalists from Lagos and the States. How people will go cover events, you arrest them?
They don't release them. I don't know whether
why they no go release them? You never reach that level where people no go beat pikin make you tell am make you look. E no possible. Journalists wey dey do their job carry camera go cover it. You carry them, lock them, go put them for detention.
This one where I talk, I don't know whether you hear them. I said they don't release them.
And I dey tell you wey see the issue be say make we talk am as e be.
As we dey try to talk am as e be, we go also try to dey follow the system as e be.
The balance.
Yes, so that e go no go be like say we no know wetin go happen.
See.
If they say we know wetin suppose be, but you no
that thing wey suppose be
So make we dey journey gradually until we reach that point wey be say we no go dey see wetin we no suppose see.
See, since 2015, democracy for Nigeria no start for 2015. We no start under President Buhari. We don get president before for this same country, and we dey challenge them, and we go continue. He say he don dey do protest for long time. If he has seen the Nigeria of his dream, he should be resting by now. You understand wetin we call? So our call here, nobody dey go fight gun. You know they carry gun. Appeal be say this suffering too much. You know, see, there is no nation on earth that will take this. E too much. So no be say we dey come, we no dey go fight anybody, but we must talk. Nobody go collect our voice. We must talk.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Make I just talk for 1 minute, final one. My name is Ariyo Daria Atuli.
Okay.
All my brothers don't talk within the ground. First, make I thank our own ordinary president. The ordinary
Make we appreciate our
one man country wey be say everybody dey appreciate wetin he dey do we no go forget am. We are very grateful to oga ordinary Ahmed. He is a man of the people, and for everywhere, even for abroad sef dey appreciate am. If just wan add one or two things so that una go dey sure say this thing wey wan happen na peace. So this Friday before October 1, we dey go mosque go pray say make God touch the heart of our leaders so that we no go dey suffer
The Sunday wey follow that Friday, we go church, go pray, say make God touch the heart of our leaders. So on that day sef, October 1st sef, we come gather. Na be say you wey be say you dey hungry, you come tell God say you dey hungry. You wey you no get job, you go come and say carry your placard say I no get job. You wey be say once e dey worry you, you go carry your own placard say this. No be say everybody wan fight, old woman, old man, young pikin, everybody come out say government we don tire, because e be like say these people wey dey inside that rock na rock o, as a rock, like dem no know wetin dey happen. Like my brother don talk, every year na im dey buy plenty cars, dem dey go Dubai, dem dey go everywhere go enjoy, their pikin dey everywhere. Me and you, your pikin, we know the school wey we dey go. So e better say make we just let them know say we dey suffer, because dem no know say we dey suffer. So that's why we dey do all this thing. So once more, I wan thank the complete package, thank Oga Ahmed, and thank all our people here. Say na well done. God bless the human rights movement.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. I did everything. We greet you, sir. Good morning. You dey greet us, now make we answer. Good morning. Don't answer.
Geography class. You know, everything in life. Yes, and then in life, there's a time when you could eat, there's a time when you could eat, there's a time to sleep, and there's a time for everything. Excellent.
So we are leaving the Human Rights Radio after what we thought was a great show, and we are shocked at what the Human Rights Radio guy was yarning. I think there's a lot of compromises in this nation, and one is the sad, utterances from ordinary President Issa that revolution now is somehow an illegal organization. But we'll keep enlightening our people that what will save this country is a revolution. Revolution now. So the people who need to hear have heard, not the people who are all compromised.